Find your passion and put it into action. My name is Nicole Yamase and I'm from the islands of Pohnpei and Chuuk in the Federated States of Micronesia. Currently, I am the program leader for a project called the Matao Project, which focuses on reconnecting Micronesian youth in Hawaii to their navigational heritage. I am also the science advisor for Blue Prosperity Micronesia, which is a relationship between the FSM government and Ted Waite Institute. I come from a big family. I am the third oldest out of 7 siblings. I was born in Pohnpei. I grew up across the Micronesia region in Pohnpei, Chuuk, Saipan, and Palau. So I had a very colorful childhood. Growing up, going snorkeling, spending a lot of time with family, going to the Rock Islands in Palau, going to Black Coral, Nanpil, the river, Kiparoi waterfall. So I was very lucky to have a childhood filled with ocean memories, but also, just surrounded by nature. I graduated from Xavier High School in 2009 and then made my way to Chaminade University of Honolulu in Hawaii, where I pursued my undergrad. I graduated in 2014 with my BS in Environmental Studies and BA in Biology. And then after my undergrad studies, I continued my education at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, focusing on native macroalgae. And I just graduated last year with my PhD in marine biology. What inspired me to pursue marine biology was my father. He also loved the ocean and he shared his passion with me. So he's what inspired me to pursue this route. Him and my mom, both my parents provided me a childhood surrounded by our beautiful clear blue waters across the Micronesia region. And I felt that, even as a Micronesian, I felt that I had to protect what we had and continue to take care of it as a Micronesian, because we depend on our oceans for many, many things. What motivates me to keep on going are my 2 younger siblings, Kanoa and Lissy. I don't have kids, so these are, having younger siblings, being able to share what I saw growing up, an ocean full of fish, corals, algae. That's something that I want them to grow up seeing as well. So my family, my community, the youth of Micronesia and across the Pacific region those are what carry me through my work, through my daily life. So they are my inspiration and motivation. First advice I would say is don't put a cap or a limit to what you can do. When you put yourself in a box, this limits your mindset and this limits your actions as well, because when you start to think, oh, I can't achieve this, I can't do this, then you are limiting your ability, your capability, your potential to achieve so much more than what you think you can achieve. Second, I would say what really helped me in my journey was really find your passion, what you love, because when all else fails, passion is what's going to keep you going. And an important thing is not only finding your passion, but putting it into action. So I say, find your passion and put it into action. You gotta put the work into it, work in your community. Ask yourself what makes you happy, what fills your heart with joy, that even if, like I said, if all things fail, passion is what's gonna keep you moving forward. There are so many opportunities for us out there. You gotta know who to talk to. And like I said before, in relation to don't put a limit to what you think you can do, because then that hinders you from really exploring what you love.